Did you know there's a radio signal in Russia that has been buzzing non-stop for over 40 years? It's the same sound on the same frequency every single day. It's called UVB76. There's no music, no words, just this low mechanical hum repeating over and over 24 hours a day. But sometimes it changes. A voice cuts through the static, reading names, numbers, and random words in Russian. Then, just as suddenly, silence, and the buzzing starts again, like nothing ever happened. No one officially knows who's behind it. Not the military, not the government. But here's the chilling part. Every time the world gets close to a major conflict, the signal's activity changes. Conspiracy theorists say it's a doomsday frequency, a secret code to activate sleeper agents, or maybe something far worse. It's still broadcasting right now. You can tune in anytime you want. But be warned, if you hear the voice, it might already be calling your name.